welcome back to Hunk of Junk Car Mods Garage. This is part 2 of the restoration of the 1946 Ford Coupe. We've got our framing all done, we've got it painted, we've got our front end all done where we had to modify it. We had to do a little bit of more modifying on the bottom cups that hold the springs in because the shock was bottoming out on it. That was kind of a really rough deal. You know, you figure you buy something from a company, it's all ready to go. But what happened was that I found out my nephew had bought it in pieces, so a little bits from here, a little bits from there. Not everybody's stuff matches up. Anyhow, so we've got it all painted, got all our drivetrain in, we've got our brake lines in, we've got our gas line in, we've got our motor in. Much back to where we're just about ready to put the body on it. We're doing the stainless exhaust right now, doing a little bit of touch-ups on painting our hubs and, you know, making everything look pretty. So that's where we're at right now. We've had to bend and do all our lines and stuff like that, so you know, it took us a little bit, but we needed to get a video out to you. And we'll take you and show you around here at the body and everything, what it all looks like. We did a industrial paint on the frame. The industrial paint is like a scratch-proof paint. It holds up really well. They use it on tractors and everything. You can get it at your local hardware store, Farm and Fleet, Lowe's, Walmart, anywhere that sells it. We've taken and done our drive shaft, our front end pieces, our hubs and everything in a high acrylic enamel, and we've got all our body bushings on it, so we're pretty close here. Well, that's all the time we have for part 2. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Get your hands dirty. Get out in the garage, work on a car. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing something turn out that you built with your own hands.